The irony of writing my Stray review is that I spent it in the company of my dog, both of us completely fixated on the screen as this sweet ginger cat does its best to traverse a perilous cyber sea filled with robots and deadly bacteria. Stray is much more than just a cat simulator, even if it does support its own dedicated meow button. With a surprisingly heartfelt narrative about a feline and a drone called B12. It has deep mythology to its world while touching on topics like capitalism, artificial intelligence, viruses, and friendship in unlikely places. The gameplay revolves traversing streets, climbing up buildings, and solving puzzles with a handful of chase sequences, think Crash Bandicoot, that help keep the pace flowing. As an animal lover, I felt my heartstrings tugged every time the cat faced hazards, something human danger simply can't replicate. About halfway through, a charging weapon known as a Defluxer is unlocked that detracts from the threat element and feels like a brief gimmick more than a natural step forward. Stray is an extremely handsome video game considering that the developer, Blue 12 Studio, is made up of about a dozen workers. Most impressively is its use of lighting throughout the neon-lit city, alongside its smart use of silence to portray isolation. While only taking me 5 hours to roll credits, Stray is one of the best games of 2022 and an essential play for anyone subscribed to PlayStation Plus.